Initiation, Israeli preemptive strikes, June 12 to 13. Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, carrying out air strikes and covert Mossad drone sabotage across Iran. Main targets included nuclear facilities, Natanz, Fordow, Esfahan, IRGC units, missile bases, and top officials, killing dozens, including senior commanders and scientists. Damage extended beyond military assets. Oil and fuel sites, residential buildings, and civilian areas were also hit. Iran's massive retaliation, June 13. In response, Iran launched Operation True Promise 3, firing over 150 ballistic missiles and 100+ drones at Israeli territory. Israeli defenses, including Iron Dome, David's Sling, Arrow, neutralized the bulk, though some missiles evaded the shields. Casualties and damage. Country casualties damage highlights. Iran approximately 104 to 138 killed, 320-376 plus injured, includes civilians and senior figures. Nuclear sites hit, explosions in Tehran, oil depots ablaze. Israel approximately 13 to 15 killed, 200-350 plus injured, includes children. Cities like Tel Aviv, Haifa, Bat Yam struck, airspace and airport closed. Strategic and regional dynamics. Israel employed a combination of Mossad-coordinated drones and air strikes that degraded Iran's missile infrastructure and nuclear capabilities. Iran's response, despite large missile launches, had limited success due to weakened strike power and Israel's multi-layered defense. Diplomatic fallout. Nuclear talks between Iran and the US were called off. Global leaders are urgently calling for their escalation. The war has pulled in regional proxies. Yemen's Houthis launched missiles in coordination with Iran. Global reactions. The US has deployed naval and missile defense assets, strongly backing Israel while warning Iran. Travel advisories issued by the UK, Ireland, and others. Civilian impact and warnings. Both nations have activated civil defense protocols. Iran, casualty shelters like mosques and subways, internet disruptions reported. Israel, air raid sirens, evacuation orders, shelter warnings near strategic sites. 1. Further military escalation. Israel has indicated it has more targets lined up and may intensify strikes. 2. Regional spillover risk. Proxy groups like Hezbollah, Iraqi militias, and the Houthis could draw the conflict into Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, and Yemen. 3. Global diplomatic push. Calls for ceasefire and re-engagement in nuclear talks continue though progress is stalled. Here's an excellent video summary of the situation. This marks the first direct aerial exchanges in decades, a major escalation in the Iran-Israel proxy conflict. Both states have struck deeply into each other's territory with high-stakes targeting of strategic, military, and civilian infrastructure. The death toll is rising, the region is tense, and diplomatic efforts are struggling to contain what could become a broader regional war.